We're already into a desperate situation here.
Our dry, hot weather continues, right?
Yep, it's going to stay dry. It'll continue to be hot. And yesterday, no big surprise, we had more records. In fact, over a dozen set across Utah. This is just a sampling of that. And at the top of the list, 109 at Hanksville. So really going to the extreme. It's Cedar City, Provo, Spanish Fork, as well as Tooele and Kodachrome Basin, who was 102 degrees. A little shy of that in Salt Lake. We hit 97, which wasn't quite into record territory. Now we have some mid and high level clouds drifting across the state this morning. Radars detected some mainly high base showers. Possibly a little bit of precipitation reached the ground over some of the higher terrain near Capitol Reef National Park earlier this morning, but that's letting up again. Our temperature in Salt Lake is 72. That's actually a warm up from earlier when we dropped down to 70. We've got a breeze northwest, 7 miles per hour. So feels pretty comfortable when you head out the door, even more so in a lot of other valleys where it's in the 60s. It is in the 50s, though, in Logan, Elko, and Ely, low 50s. And in St. George, it's 85 right now. High pressure centered near the Four Corners area continues to dominate the weather pattern, keeping it very hot. But there's moisture moving in through that ridge, coming in from the south, as well as some smoke. So we'll have some clouds around today with possibly some high base showers over the mountains of central and southern Utah. And over the top of this ridge of high pressure, a westerly flow, possibly allowing some gusty winds along parts of the Wasatch Back, extending over into Uinta Basin, just like yesterday. So that's where red flag warnings will remain in effect until 10 p.m. That's where the fire danger is the highest. Salt Lake, we're forecasting 98. Which puts us just shy of record territory. It'll actually look and feel a lot like it did yesterday. Partly cloudy, areas of smoke, those isolated thunderstorms, dry ones that might bring some lightning to central and southern mountains. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 90s in a lot of the northern valleys, triple digits more common over the southern half of the state. St. George 111, which is why it's another first alert action day. Make sure you're drinking a lot of water, avoiding strenuous activity during the middle of the day. And tomorrow, temperature climbs even higher, 113. But it looks like you'll be dropping quite a bit lower than that by the middle of next week. You'll be near 100. And for northern Utah, it'll be partly cloudy and 100 on Friday and Saturday. So some hot weather for Juneteenth. But Father's Day will be feeling better. It'll be mostly sunny, dropping into the mid 90s, and then all the way down near 90 by next Monday.